You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh sir classes. Good morning. Many students have confused regarding the calculation of the chemical bonding questions due to presence of the type of the hybridization, lone pair of electrons, shapes, size, and many rules. But today I will show you some tricks or shortcuts for the determination of the this type of the question. You can easily calculate the different terms in the chemical bonding. So let us we start from the first trick, that is the calculation of the hybridization, and you can find the hybridization in a molecule. Number one is the structure is given. When the only structure is given in your question, then you can calculate the type of the hybridization with the help of this formula. Z is equal to number of sigma bonds, lone pair of the electrons of central atom. We have an example, methane molecule. Methane has a structure, this type of the structure, that is the 4 hydrogen attached with carbon atom. Carbon is a central atom, and that means presence of the 4 sigma bond in this structure, and put this value in this formula 4. And lone pair of the electron of central atom, carbon has a no lone pair of electron, put the 0 and calculate the value of Z. We will get 4. That means sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization means the participation of the 1s orbital and participation of the 3p orbital. That means type of the hybridization is the sp3 in methane molecule. And second is the when the only formula is given in your question, there is no structure. Now you can calculate the type of the hybridization in the central atom of a molecule with the help of this formula. Z is equal to 1 by 2 V plus M minus C plus A. V is the valential electron of the molecule, all atoms, and second is the M, monovalent atom. That means attach the monovalent atom with the central atom like the hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. C is the cationic charge if present in the central atom, and A is the anionic charge if present in the central atom. That means molecule has a negative charge or positive charge. Now we can calculate the hybridization in central atom in ammonia molecule. Ammonia has a 3 hydrogen atom and 1 nitrogen atom. Electronic configuration of the nitrogen like this, that means 5 electrons in present in their valence shell, and similarly present of the monovalent atom. Monovalent atom are the 3 hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Put the value in this formula 5 plus 3 and calculate the there is no charge of the central atom. Nitrogen has no positive charge, nitrogen has no negative charge, and put the value 5 and 3 in this formula. We will get the 4. That means hydrogen will be the sp3 of the central atom nitrogen. So now you can calculate very easily with the help of both formulas. Now comes on the a magic table. Magic table is very helpful for the determination of the type of the hybridization in a molecule with the calculation of the Z. If the your value Z is 2, then the hybridization will be the sp. Z is equal to 3, then the hybridization will be sp2, 4 sp3, 5 sp3d, and 6 sp3d2, and 7 sp3d3. You can easily find the type of the hybridization. Now comes on the second trick, that means calculation of the or determination of the lone pair of electrons in the molecule. Lone pairs of the electron in the molecule or total number of the lone pair of electron in a molecule. We can calculate with the help of the two formulas. Number one is the lone pair is equal to Z. If you have already calculated the value of the Z by the above method or trick, and minus number of the surrounding atom. Let us see an example. In an example, suppose we have a molecule CH4. Now calculate the lone pair of electron in this molecule. Lone pair of electron in this molecule. Lone pair is equal to value of the Z. Value of the Z of the CH4 is 4 minus total number of the surrounding atom. 4 hydrogen attached with the carbon atom. That means 4 surrounding atoms here present, minus 4 is equal to 0. There is no lone pair of electron in the carbon of the CH4. One more formula for this calculation, that means lone pair of the electrons is equal to V. V is the total valence electron of all atoms present in a molecule, and second is the minus valence electron used in the bond formation divided by the 2. Now calculate with this formula. We have an example of the ammonia molecule. An ammonia molecule is one nitrogen atom and three hydrogen atom. Nitrogen atom is a central atom and has the 5 valence electron as per their configuration: 1s2, 2s2 and 2p, 3 and 3 hydrogen atom. Each hydrogen atom has 1s1 electron. Here the 3 hydrogen atom, that means total number of the valence electron of each hydrogen is 3 and total valence electron 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now this value put in the formula. Lone pair of the electrons, valence shell of electron V is equal to 8 and minus 6. 6, what is the 6? And step 2, we can determine the required electrons for completion of the duplet. In case of the hydrogen required 2 electrons for completion of their duplet. That means total number of hydrogen is 3 and each hydrogen required 2 electrons, and 3 into 2 is equal to 6. And put this value in this formula. So 8 minus 6 divided by 2. So we have obtained 2. That means total number of the lone pair of electrons is 2. That means nitrogen has 2 lone pair of electrons. So you can calculate easily with this formula. Now comes on the next trick. That means calculation of the bond order. Calculation of the bond order. Bond order with the help of the triangle magic. Bond order with the help of the triangle magic. Triangle magic means we have a triangle and calculate the a magic triangle for the calculation of the bond order. Bond order, calculate this rule. Name of the rule is the 14 is 3 rule. 14 is 3 rule. Here as a triangle, and this area represent the total number of the electrons present in a molecule or atom, right? So here the starting from the at before the bond order will be the 0. The formula of the bond order is a calculation of the bond order with the help of the bonding orbital present of the total number of the bonding orbitals and present of the total number of the anti-bonding orbitals divided by the 2. But you can calculate directly with the help of the atomic number. If the molecule or atom has a atomic number is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, that means number of electrons present in an atom, and 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So with this triangle you can calculate the bond order up to the 20 electrons present in an atom or molecule, or ion. From this formula, from this formula, 20 has 0 bond order and then increases with 0.5 value up to the 8. If the atom has 19 electrons, then bond order will be 0.5. If atom has 18 electron, bond order 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and at the 14 electrons, bond order will be the 3. It is the maximum bond order because of the bond order. Bond order shows the total number of the present in electrons. That is the number of bond present in a molecule or atom. In a molecule, bond order is 3. That means presence of the triple bond in a molecule. 2 means double bond in a molecule. 1 means single bond in a molecule, right? You can calculate easily with the help of self. And similar, 20 0 bond order at same 0. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 will be the similar as per the triangle. Now calculation of the predicting the magnetic nature of the molecule. Magnetic nature of the molecule, that means it will be the paramagnetic or diamagnetic. We can calculate with the help of the total number of electron present in an atom or molecule. If the odd odd number of electron and second is the even number of electrons or presence of the unpaired electron, that means molecule will be the para in condition, and second is the presence of the total number of electrons, then presence of the paired electrons, that means molecule will be the diamagnetic.